In this video, I'll show you how to hide Facebook page posts, step by step. If you want to remove a post from public view without permanently deleting it, or limit who can see certain content, there are a few options available depending on your page and the type of post. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Scroll through your page and find the post you want to hide. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post to open more options. Depending on your page type and app version, you may see options such as Move to Archive, Hide from Page, or Delete. If Move to Archive is available, select it to remove the post from public view while keeping it stored for possible restoration later. If you don't see an archive option, you can delete the post or manage it through your professional dashboard, activity log, or Meta Business Suite, where additional post management tools may be available. Keep in mind that Facebook doesn't currently offer a setting to hide all page posts at once. You'll need to manage each post individually. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.